2 Department of Youth Affairs officers have tested positive for COVID. We caught up with DYA Deputy Director Krisinda Aguon to clarify the number of DYA employees that have tested positive for the virus. Aguon previously told KUAM that a total of 9 employees had tested positive.
In total, we have 8 officers to date who have tested positive. To expound on those positive cases, 1 has been cleared and has returned to work, while the 7 remain in home isolation, including the one who was previously receiving care from the Guam Memorial Hospital. So he is now in home isolation.
The 2 officers were assigned to the isolation unit and are also the 2 remaining officers at the facility that had yet to be tested.
Once they felt symptoms, they had asked for us to go ahead with testing, and that's when we found out they were positive. I do believe that because they weren't experiencing any symptoms, they may not have been tested, and not that they refused, but they didn't see any point in it at that time. And the minute they started feeling symptoms, they notified us.
Aguon says that their youth service supervisors have done an amazing job at trying to schedule officers and have them remain to their assigned units unless they're needed elsewhere. However, officers that have been assigned to the isolation unit do not get transferred. She adds that deep disinfecting of the units will not be happening yet. However, they have further increased sanitary practices and are doing everything they can to keep everyone safe.
We have face shields, we have goggles, we have PPEs such as the gowns. So in terms of PPEs, we are pretty prepared in handling the positive clients.
So far, 10 DYA residents have tested positive and are in the assigned isolation unit. Out of the 10, 2 are experiencing mild symptoms, such as loss of taste and smell. All other clients that tested negative continue to be monitored. 2 DOC officers have been assigned to assist in operations along with 2 nurses to care for the positive residents. In total, 8 officers have tested positive for the virus, and there are 7 active cases, all on home isolation. Aguon says that as they continue to fight the presence of COVID in their facility and in our communities, they keep in mind the words of Surgeon General Vice Admiral Jerome Adams, the 4 Ws.
Wear your masks, wash your hands, watch your distance, and have the will to do it.
Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Tyler Matanani.